Hello friends, we went to Yellowstone a couple weeks ago. Yellowstone is a natural wonder of the US and one of the 7 natural wonders of North America for a number of reasons. It was the first national park ever created in the United States and in the world. Yellowstone caldera is the largest supervolcano in North America. Yellowstone has the most active, diverse, and intact collections of combined geothermal features with over 10,000 hydrothermal sites and half the world's active geysers. Thank you.